Hey, poetry students, it's Cody Miller, your instructor. I'm here with the weekly reminder slash preparation for the next week. Wanted to share my screen with you here so that you're able to follow along with what I'm showing you. We do have some readings that I asked you to do for the following week. So when you click on the reading section of Moodle, it will take you into a list of different readings. I've asked you to read from the Bates one all the way down to the Hughes one. So basically 5 readings. Open those up, read them in full, and then we'll discuss some of those next time, and we'll do some imitation as well as scaffolding, understanding a little bit about lines and the musicality of poetry, all of that lovely stuff. Another reminder about last week, I guess in this case, would be that Journal 1 did come due on, let's see here, that would be, let me look at our calendar, that would have been Wednesday for us. So that'll be going into the grade book shortly. We do have, in terms of what we covered last week, we've got the in-class material. We spent some time generating ideas about different terms and how we can connect music and different strategies to poetry in the poetry introduction activity. This is a Google Doc that we did in class, okay? And then one of the things that I asked you to bring back to class with you, or be prepared to bring to class with you next time, is a 2 pieces of music, or two songs, the lyrics to 2 songs that you find to be musical in some way, meaning that they are, sorry, not musical, poetry-like. So not necessarily just poetic, but it reads in some way like poetry. It may have some line breaks, it may have some rhyming, it may simply just seem like a poem, whatever that means to you. Bring those back with you. We are still trying to understand what poetry is and how we construct it. And remember, this first unit, we're going to focus on looking at imitation poetry, we're looking at erasure poetry, and we're looking at scaffolding. So we're going to spend some time scaffolding next class period, as well as doing some imitation. We're not going to get to the erasure yet. That will come next week, but just not right now, okay? We'll take a look at a schedule to walk us through the first unit on Monday. And I think it'll be a good week next week. Just be prepared to do some more writing, as we always do in the class, and be prepared for essentially your next journal to be announced, and then that will come due essentially 2 weeks. Other than that, I think that's about it. So have a lovely weekend, stay warm, and stay brilliant. Thanks, guys.